Paramilitary 2 distills the full-service cutting performance of Spyderco's iconic military model into a more compact, easy-to-carry package. Its full flat ground blade is crafted from CPM S30V stainless steel and is available in either a plain edge or fully serrated spider edge configuration. The blade's fully accessible trademark round hole allows swift one-handed opening with either hand, and a textured index finger choil allows a forward position grip during precise cutting chores. The Paramilitary 2's handle is built on a framework of skeletonized stainless steel liners that also provide the foundation of its patented compression lock mechanism. Stronger than a conventional liner lock, the compression lock also allows the knife to be safely and easily closed with only one hand. The handle's liners are nested within peel-ply textured G10 scales to create a slim, open-back construction that is lightweight and easy to clean. The handle also includes a 4-position pocket clip that supports ambidextrous tip-up or tip-down carry, and a large lined lanyard hole.
This is the 940 family from designer Warren Osborne. It's largely considered one of the greatest everyday carry knives ever created. Best uses are everyday and outdoor, although it has many applications as this is a high-performance knife. It's very comfortable to carry on a daily basis. All of the knives in this family feature the axis lock mechanism, which is fully ambidextrous. And the 940 and 943 feature aluminum handle scales, the 940 in green and the 943 in black, each with their own individual backspacer color. The 940-2 is our newest 940 edition. It features black G10 scales and green barrel spacers. And then the 940-1, the most premium of all of the 940s, features carbon fiber handle scales and blue barrel spacers. The 940, 943, and 940-2 feature CPM S30V blade steel, which is our steel providing the best balance between edge retention, corrosion resistance, and durability. The 940-1 features our most premium steel, CPM S90V, which provides tremendous edge retention, great corrosion resistance, and great impact resistance, otherwise known as toughness. This is the Benchmade-940 family.
Recon revolutionized the industry and has become the most famous imitated knife design of all time. The 110 transformed our marketplace, putting buck knives in the front line of the knife industry, as well as a central tradition among families. Building and designing the 110 Folding Hunter is quite the process. From the rivets and pins to the bolsters and sanding, the knives undergo many processes until they are buffed, edged, sharpened, and ready for purchase. So let me show you the 110 Folding Hunter. It comes in two different styles, basic or finger groove. The handle material is Macassar ebony diamond wood. It's real wood that's been infused with resin. Lockback design for safety. The brass bolster is beveled for ergonomic comfort. The 420HC stainless steel clip point blade is 3 3/4 inches long and 120 thousandths of an inch thick. The knife weighs 7.2 ounces and is made in the USA. The Buck 110 Folding Hunter is a classic, the '57 Chevy of knives. We honor our dedication to quality and function by covering each and every one of our products with our forever warranty. What does the forever warranty mean? It means that we expect each and every buck knife to be free of defects in material or workmanship for the life of the knife. Any buck knife that fails or is defective will be repaired or replaced.
Mm-hmm.